Hoi allemaal, welkom terug op mijn kanaal. Dus vandaag, something like that. Anyways, we are getting back into tutorial number 9 of the Natasha Denona Gold palette. It has been quite a journey so far, and I've been loving the looks that we have been coming up with together as a family. So today we are going to do something, obviously, with the palette. Not too sure what kind of look I want to do, but I have a general idea. So far, I am really digging this palette, everything that it has to offer. I'm still going to use the Dior Skin Glow 4N because I love the luminosity it gives. But yes, I'm going to go ahead and prep my eyes with Fenty Beauty Eyeshadow Primer, Pro Filter, and I think so far this tutorial palette focus has been very eye-opening with this gold palette. Very neutral in every aspect, like I've said previously, and it's very much so just pop of color here and there. If you take out those pop of colors, it's a very basic neutral palette, which I have plenty of those. And those bronze, like it's kind of reminding me of Charlotte Tilbury's Queen of Glow. Was it Queen of Glow? Queen of Glow. I think it was like that bronze type of thing. And Venusian Sunrise Quad. Is it Venusian Sunrise? I think it is. Quad from Pat McGrath. Also, I mean, if you have those quads, then you just need that. I mean, it is what it is at this point. But I also realized I completely forgot I had these. Becca's BA Light. So I was thinking, maybe, misschien, ik wil... Yeah, I have been using these. This, the way it was broken down, I believe this was kind of like a lighting powder, blurring powder, a bronzer, and a blush. And this is the light to medium. And this was the medium to deep. Obviously, brightening, blurring, bronzer, and blush. So I'm gonna use these today for my finishing powder, basically. And yeah, so let me go and get, struggle's real, oh man. Let me go and get my eyes prepped and we'll get into this video. All right, so the eyes are prepped with the eyeshadow Pro Filter by Fenty Beauty, and I hope they look like twins. So, first and foremost, I actually want to dip into Oro, which is more of that yellow gold. Oh my gosh. And I actually want this to be in the crease. So, like I said, I have an idea, but we shall see if I can execute this. So Oro in the crease, just to have more of that gold accent, that flesh of color, I guess. Not flesh, definitely not flesh of color. But I do like this gold because it's very unique, and it's like almost like a old antique type of gold, which I think is stunning on the eyelid, or on the eyes, basically. So let's get that in there because I know this really, I think I made this the main attraction in the last tutorial. So I kind of want to use it again in this tutorial for this idea. But like I said, we shall see if I can really execute this look. And I'm going to go in with a fluffier brush just to really blend out the edges. Perfect. And I think for the brow bone, I may just go ahead and use sparks again, because that's about as good as it gets. So, Oro in the crease. Oh, that is beautiful. Beautiful, just like me. Like I said, I'm still getting used to this filter that the iPhone already has on it. Big fan of it, but Umu Manua. All right, so Oro is on, and I actually want to go into brass. Do I want to do brass? Let's do brass. So we're going to do brass. This is such a potent. Ooh. Oh my God, this is okay. I completely forgot how intense this was. So we will do brass with the fingertip. Just to the middle of the eye. Oh God, this is like liquid. Because I do love the lime it has. It is absolutely stunning. This with all over the lid with, what's the one from Pat McGrath that has like that lime? Was it from Utopian Dream? I think it was Utopian Dream, one of the astral shades. I mean, look at this. This is, woo, ooh, child. We're getting there. Well, we're going there. Brass. And next, I think I will go into Lime Crime for the outer part of the eye. Do I want to do Lime Crime? Yes, we will do that. Oh, of course, let's do the fingertip. Brass into Lime Crime. Look at that transition. Child. Ooh, child. This is gorgeous. Natasha Denona giving me all types of goodiness here. This is beautiful. This in a red bold lip for New Year's. Yazan. Yazan, you're the show. Darling, you will be the show. Be a runway. Oh my God, that is beautiful. All right. So this is what this is looking like so far. And I'm really digging this. It's a lot of wetness going on. But next we'll go into Sparks for the brow bone highlight. Just to have that sparkle, twinkleness going on. And log, I am thinking of putting into the crease to really give that definition of the brow bone. Going in with kind of like this is from Bare Minerals. I've had this for so long and I keep it clean. Clean. So like I said, going into log. And then that is going to be our crease color. Ooh. Even with having all these colors going, it's still really builds up, which I do love. This log is a must in every palette. Don't breathe. It's actually been a while since I've done a look like this and really cut the crease. Because having hooded eyes, yeah, why not emphasize it more? There we go. Going in with a fluffy brush just to go ahead and just start blending it in. Blending the edges. And by doing this, it really gives that oro a moment as well in the crease. So you see the shine as well. Then we'll go ahead and just bring it down a little bit. Clambetia. Oof. There we go. Actually, I do love how that looks. Like I said, they look like they're related. Oh gosh, I totally screwed this side up. Anywho's, look at that. That is a moment. That is really a moment. Now with the liner brush, I am going to go ahead and go into Python. Keep that more in the corner. Oh my God, this is stunning. This cream to powder formula is always amazing from Natasha Denona. You know what this is kind of reminding me of? Yucca palette. mini palette from Natasha Denona. Just a little bit. This Python is giving me the yucca vibes and that oro. Huh, interesting. Well, let me go ahead and do the other side and we will see where we are at, and we will see the final look in a few moments also. So, here we are with the eyes. I am really loving this look. Very dramatic. Not very. Well, for some people, definitely very dramatic. But making a statement, that's for sure. Going in with the Milk Blurring Primer for the primer. But yes, this is giving me some yucca vibes from Natasha Denona. Maybe this is where she got the inspiration from yucca. I don't know. Who knows? But for the most part, this green lime crime, is it lime crime? Python really is bringing out my brown eyes. Look at the honey. Look at how honey that is. 9 tutorials so far. Very versatile in many aspects. Very neutral, very bronzy, very brown, very gold. But I do think this palette, great for quite a few different occasions, depending on what occasion you want to go for. But that brass is like such liquid and I'm loving it. I dig it. I dig it. If you have this palette, pull it out. Like, let's play with this again. This is quite amazing. Let me go in with the Flash Luminizer by Dior 003. Just to start correcting some things. These are, I love the pen aspect of this because sometimes the application, if it's a dofa, could be too much, but at least with this, you can control the amount of how much you want, and who doesn't like to control how much they want. But so far, so good. I think after I get done with this palette focus, I think I will definitely put this palette away because I don't think I would ever do a shoot that requires these specific colors, but we shall see. Yeah, 9 tutorials so far. It is not bad, not bad. I think I want to do one more with quite a few other few shades together. But even that oro in the brow and the crease is giving it that extra shine dimension, which is very beautiful. And I just love how everything just really seamlessly blends together to give it that effortless flow. Oh, I just love the fact that it brings out my brown eyes. And I went ahead and lined my waterline with the Pat McGrath Permagel in Extreme Black because my eyes does get a little watery sometimes. Charlotte Tilbury's Vanish Color Corrector Concealer, and what is this, 2 medium. It is quite a process for me to really help eliminate my dark circles. Is that a fly or a bee stuck? That is a bee. Yep, great. But let me go and do the rest of my face and you guys will see the final finish of the look in a few moments. All right, so this is the final look. I mean, this is couture. No, not really. Anyways, yeah, this is the final look. So I am sorry, I have my fan on. Really digging this. This is turning out a lot more beautiful than I expected. So, final verdict. Definitely dramatic, smoky, definitely a moment, that's for sure. I still really do love the oro in the crease. So it really does give that pop and that shine. Foundation is Dior's 4N Forever Glow. And I actually went ahead and did. Concealer is beautiful Radiant Skin Concealer 8.5 medium. 8.5 medium. Bronzer, I actually went in with the, no, did I go with this one? The marble one. From the Be a Light Medium to Deep, this is the bronzer I went in with. And for highlighter, I went in with the Natasha Denona Bloom. I went in with this blush, and I also did this as the highlighter, which is so beautiful, like that peachy rose gold. Yadzan. And this like berry, depending on what kind of brush you use, you can really control the intensity. So I went in with the Pat McGrath blush brush. I think that's what this is. For setting powder, I went in with the Sublime Skin Fetish Blurring Light under the eyes. And I actually did a mixture of the BA Lights by Becca. A mixture of the blurring from here, the brightening from here, a little bit of the brightening from there. So it's a mixture of things. And these blushes, so this is from, I think it was more of a cool tone pink. Oh, that is from the light to medium, and then the deep, or the medium to dark, whatever, is going to be a lot more brown. Oh my god. Actually, what if we mix those two together? But that is very beautiful. Oh, kind of messed that up. Anyways, it's very luminous, those blushes, but I went with the Bloom instead because it has more of that berry, and since we are in fall, I figured let's keep it a little fall-y. Setting spray is by Charlotte Tilbury, Setting Flawless, Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. And the lips is a combination of the Lip Cheat, Reshape and Resize Lip Liner and Love Trap with Pillow Talk as the lipstick, and Opulous Gloss Pale Fire Nectar by Pat McGrath on top. That is like one of my new, not my new, but it is my go-to lip combination basically for every lip. Brows is still the Benefit, whatever brow thingy that I use all the time also. But tutorial number 9, beautiful, dramatic. I mean, the drama, loving it. Yeah. Such a bro. But as usual, if you want to see the final edits of this look, go to my Instagram page. I am really digging this palette. Focus series, as you know, we will continue to do it maybe for the next few years, and we shall see where things go. But I will see you guys next video.